Good morning dear students, welcome once again. This time we are going to continue our session with GK for class 8 because reasoning type questions are being asked or some brain teasers are there. That's why I have chosen this board and I am going to explain how the answers came to these questions. Everyone take out your book, okay? In the book chapter number 28, your first question is a carpenter was in terrible hurry. So carpenter was in a hurry. He had to work as quickly as possible to cut a very heavy 10-foot plank into 10 equal sections. So the question number 1 states that a carpenter is working with a plank. Plank is 10 feet or 10 foot long plank is there. 10 foot wooden piece is there, right? So he was in a hurry and he was making a cut. He has to cut 10 equal sections. Now he has to cut this plank of wood, this wood into 10 equal sections. Okay. So he was cutting. If it takes 1 minute per cut, one cut takes 1 minute. Right? Second cut 2 minutes. Third cut 3 minutes. 4 cut 4 minutes, 5 cut 5 minutes, 6 cut 6 minutes. So all together as he reaches the 9th cut, okay, 10th cut will automatically be over there. So it will take 9 minutes altogether for the carpenter to cut the 10-foot plank into 10 equal sections, right? So answer will be your 9 minutes. Question number 2. Which number when added to 5 by 4 gives the same result and when it is multiplied with 5 by 4? See, which number when added to 5 by 4? The number when added to 5 by 4, okay, gives the same result, right? As when it is multiplied with 5 by 4. When it is multiplied with 5 by 4. Okay, what is that number? The number which when added with 5 by 4 will give the same result. That means the result will be same, equal. When it is multiplied with that number. What is the number? Calculate the value of x. Let the number be x, which when added to 5 by 4 and when multiplied by 5 by 4 gives the same result. Right? You have to solve this equation. 5 plus 4x by 4 by taking LCM, x by 1 and 4 LCM is 4. So 5 plus 1 4 ja 4, 4x by 4 is equal to, when you multiply 5x by 4 it will be 5x by 4, right? So now you cross multiply it, okay? So your 5 plus 4x into 4 is equal to 5x into 4, right? So 5 4 ja 20 plus 16x is equal to 5x into 4, that is 20x, right? 5x into 4 makes up how much? 20x. Now shift this x term over here. If it is plus over here, when it gets shifted it will become minus. So 20 is equal to 20x minus 16x, okay? So 20 is equal to 4x, right? So x is equal to 20 divided by 4, that is 5. So answer is 5. So x is equal to 5. So it is 5 which when added to 5 by 4 and when multiplied with 5 by 4 gives you the same result, right? That is the trick only. You have to solve it by using the equation method, right? Question number 3. If I am going to tell you, what does the question states? What does the question speaks? Let's see. Question number 3. Question number 3. In a square below, a square is given, right? A rule applies both from top to bottom and from left to right. Find the rule and figure out the missing then you will have 2 question mark is there and 0 is there, then 4 0 4 is there. What is the magic about it? 6 minus 2 becomes 4, so 4 minus 0 becomes 4, so 2 minus this number is 0, so it will be 2 over here. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So you get the third number when you are subtracting the first number with the second number, right? Simple trick. So that is the issue, that is the case only, right? Question number 4. A snail is at the bottom of a well. Mind you, a snail is at the bottom. A snail is at the bottom of a well. Suppose if this is a well, snail is at the bottom. Okay, suppose if this is a snail, then snail is at the bottom of a well and wants to get out, wants to come out of the well. He manages to crawl up a wall 3 feet each day. So he climbs 3 feet each day, right? 3 feet each day he climbs. But at the night he must rest. At night he rests, and so he slips back 2 feet. So during the sleep it slips to 2 feet. That means 1 feet only the snail crawls in 1 day. Okay, how long will it take him to get out? Okay, how long will it take to get out? If the well is 30 feet deep, the well is 30 feet deep, right? The trick is, on first day he crawled 1 feet, because 3 feet he goes up, but 2 feet he falls down, slips down. So only 1 feet, 1 day, another day again 1 feet, third day again 1 feet. So in 27 days he comes up to 27 feet, right? But on 28th day the snail comes 27 plus 3. As soon as he goes 3 feet he comes out of the well. There is no need of sleeping, or if he is sleeping he can't fall down. So in 28 days he comes out of the well, right? Yes, that is a simple trick. Okay, this is how you have to solve question number 4. Clear? Now coming on to the question number 5. Coming on to the question number 5, what is the missing number in the arrangement? A box is given, right, like this, and you have to solve the puzzle. How? 4 columns are there, okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5 ones is there, okay. Here the number is 1 1 1 1. Here the number is 2 3 4 and 5. Here the number is 3 7 13 21. Here the number is 4 15 40 85. Here the number is 5 31 121, and then you will have the question mark. What will be placed over here? What is the number? Okay, the trick is very simple. If you see the top part, 1 into 1 plus 1 2, okay, 2 into 1 plus 1 3, 3 into 1 plus 1 4, 4 into 1 plus 1 5. Okay, so the first row states, first column states 1 into 1, that means number into 1 plus 1 is the key. Here 1 into 2 plus 1 is the key. If you multiply it by 2 and add 1, you will get the next number, right? See, 1 into 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 2 plus 1 7, 7 2 plus 1, 31. Here the trick is you have to do into 3 plus 1. 1 into 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 3 plus 1, 13. 13 into 3 plus 1, 40. 40 into 3, 120 plus 1, 121. That is the trick. So here you have to multiply by 5 and then add 1. 1 into 5 plus 1, 5. Sorry, here the trick will be into 4 plus 1 it will be. 1 into 4 plus 1, 5. 5 into 4 plus 1, 21. 21 into 4 plus 1, 85. 85 into 4, how much it will be? 85 into 4, that is 20. 8 for the 32 plus 2, 340 plus 1, that is 341. So your answer is 341. Right? Note it down. That is the trick only. Understood? Yes. Coming on to the question number 6. Question number 6 it will be. Right. Water lilies double in an area every 24 hours. That means in 24 hours, in one day, the water lily gets doubled. So in one day, in 24 hours, the flower lily gets doubled. Right? It gets doubled. In spring, there is one water lily on the lake. So one lily was there in spring. In 60 days, the lake is completely covered with lilies. So in 60 days, okay, the lake got completely covered, gets full, gets completely covered, right? So the lake got completely covered, gets full in 60 days. How many days did it take to cover half the lake? In 60 days, the lake got filled. Suppose if this is the lake, it got filled completely. In how many days? 60 days. And in one day only, the lily gets doubled. So in 59 days, because the lake is half filled, that's why in another 24 hours means one day, in 60 days, the pool got completely filled. So in 59 days, the lake is half filled. Okay. So in 59 days, the lake is half filled. Okay. Very simple phenomenon. Very tricky it is. Right? Yes. Coming on to the chapter question number 7. Okay, question number 7. It also has a trick, small trick. Question number 7. Question number 7. A bird has a head 12 centimeter long. A bird is there whose head is 12 centimeter. The tail is equal to size of head plus half the size of the body. Tail is size of the head plus half the size of the body. Half the size of the full body. Right, as per according to the question, the tail is size of the head plus half the body, half the size of the body. The body is size of head plus tail. Body is size of head plus tail. Right? How long is the bird? So how long is the bird? Body is H plus T, that means head plus tail, and tail is head plus half of the body. Right? Now head is 12 centimeter. Right? So how long is the body? So let's see. The bird comprises of plus tail plus body, isn't it? Body is made up of head plus tail plus body. This is the length of the complete bird. Head we know, okay? Head is 12 centimeter, right? Tail is 12, that is size of the head, plus half of the body. Half of the body B you can take, or half of the B body you can take, okay? And body is head plus tail. Body is head plus tail, that means this much. 12 plus half of the body. Now bird is head plus tail. Tail is how much? This much. 12 plus half of the bird, half of the body, right? Plus body. Body is 12 plus 12 plus half of the B. Okay? And the whole bird is, let's say for example, B is the bird, total length of the bird, B. Okay? So you calculate it and you get the answer. This is your homework. You do it on your own and you find out the answer. Okay? Okay, this one will be head, this one will be tail, this one will be body. Okay, so head plus tail plus body is the whole bird. Okay, calculate it and you find the answer. Question number 8 states, your question number 8 says, a student got thrice as many sums right as he got wrong. So student got thrice the sum right as the number of sums he has done wrong. That means if the number of sums that he done wrong is x, correct sum he has done as 3x. It is correct and it is wrong. X is wrong and 3x is correct. So he attempted 96 sums in all. Total question he has attempted is 96. That means 3x plus x is equal to 96. That means mix up 4x is equal to 96. So x is equal to 96 by 4. So x is equal to 28, right? 3 times thrice he has got right, plus 1, 4x is equal to 96. 4 2 ja 8. Sorry, I have divided it by 2. So 4 2 ja 8, 4 4 ja 16. X is equal to 24, right? How many did he solve correctly? If x is 24, that means 24 he has done wrong. How many correct are there? That means correct number is 3x. So 3 into 24, that means 72 he has done correctly. Right? So 72 is the answer. This is about your 28th number, 28. Chapter number 28. Okay? Right? Yes. Shall I delete it? Now coming on to the chapter number 29. Chapter number 29. Think quick. If you were to spell out a number starting from 1, if you are spelling 1, O-N-E, 1, 2, T-W-O, 2, like that, if you continue on spelling the words starting from 1, how far would you go? So how far would you go until you find a letter A? You have to find a letter A. Mind you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you write, you did not get A letter in any of the numbers unless and until you go to 1000. Thousand. Here is a letter A. So you have to go till 1000 in order to get a letter A. Understood? In numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 100, 101, no A is coming. Okay? In 1000 A comes. Clear? This one is the first one. Second one. Which is the only food that does not spoil? That means name the only food that does not get spoiled. Spoil means kharab hona, sad jana. Which is the only food which never gets spoiled? Kabhi kharab nahi hota. That is honey. Okay, this is the food which never gets spoiled, never gets rotten. Okay, understood? Yes. So that is the trick only. Question number 3. Who will weigh more? Which weight is more? A boy weighing 22 kilograms or a girl weighing 22,200 grams? Boy's weight is 22 kilograms, right? And girl weight is 22,200 grams, right? So 22,200 grams means it is in gram, it is in kilogram, so we make it as kilogram, or you can make this boy's weight as gram. So if you make this weight of boys as gram, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, right? So boy's weight is 22 kilogram, that means 22 into 1000 is equal to 22,000. Boy weight is 22,000 gram, girl's weight is 22,200. Okay, so it is the girl's weight that is more. Girl's weight is 200 grams more, right? Yes, so that is the trick only. Question number 4. Coming on to the question number 4. Question number 4 states, what kind of a triangle will be formed if the sides measure 12 cm, 8 cm and 20 cm? Size of the sides are 12 cm, 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. What kind of triangle is this? Triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides are given. But what kind of triangle it is? Here a rule states, whenever you sum the two sides of a triangle, it should always be greater than the third side. Then only triangle is possible to make. Okay, the rule states, if you sum the two sides of the triangle, it should always be greater than the third side. Then only triangle will be made. Okay, because the sum of two sides 12 plus 8 is not greater than 20 centimeter. It is equivalent to 20 centimeter. So we can't make the triangle under this circumstance. Simple. No triangle can be formed by using this measurement 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. The sum of two sides should always be greater than the third side. Always remember this rule, golden rule to make the triangle. Okay. So this is all for now. You practice. Your homework will be, you practice these questions in your home. If you don't understand or if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, I'll be ready to solve the questions. So until unless these questions are there, you keep practicing. You know these simple tricks so that your brain will get sharper and enlarged. Thank you. Have a nice day. In my next class, I'll continue from here. Bye.